Wagwan, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Insight with Nan. Let me say something, bro. Me have some topic to talk about. Yo, oh, some of them artists are in a dancehall, brother. The man them move like some ass kissers, brother. Them man move like them kiss artists ass, brother. And them are artists themselves. Me see interview with Rygan King. He might talk about Kartel and he might give Kartel all the praises we want to give him. Fine, nothing wrong with that. But brother, you talk about Kartel and you bring up Alkaline name. And you have mention Alkaline name, but after me the Alkaline, after me the Bumbuckler Alkaline. Brother, I really feel like say, yo, them man call Alkaline name to get the attention now that. Them man love call Alkaline name to get the attention, brother. All when the man in the news media, the man not speak for nobody name. The man them call the man name. For nothing at all. Now Rygan King, you go for an interview like a big waste man. You pour out the art, you come like you love Kartel the most, and you a popcorn to blood clean. You pour out the art about Kartel, nothing wrong with saying you give a man applause. But the man come out and worship Kartel. And at the same time, I bring down a man. Nothing, you know what the point where I stand on is that you build up somebody and you bring down somebody at the same time. I don't understand, I don't get it. Oh, you build up a man and give a man a praise and then at the same time you bring down a man because you want to start shit. You as an artist, bro. Rygan King, you're flopping up, brother. Rygan King, the same year you start, the same year you're flopping up. 2018 you start and I think same 2018 you're flopping up. So I don't understand. Oh, you come about now. I talk about Alkaline. Brother, Alkaline have fans them. Alkaline a business about the next man. Brother, worry about yourself and for your fans them. Where they have. You get up and talk about Kartel and then after you call Alkaline name for attention. People, I feel like this man, I must have music in my push. Or something make him try stir some controversy around him name. Cause what? This a man this a man foot him Dave can stand up on him foot sturdily. And this a man get up and talk about the youth. The youth they even know somehow. Sometimes youth they even remember half a dancehall and every day when he get up and they talk about the youth. And the youth they even soon know him talk about him like every day and him not remember no more time. And the next thing, the next topic, Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel come like, you know, say, on a real level, Vybz Kartel like when them name mixed with Alkaline, you know, because you as an individual, every time you do an interview and the interviewer start talk about Alkaline and bring up his name, you indulge in it. You want the conversation spark, I feel like this man I love when the name call it Alkaline. Because is it that him feel like him can put Alkaline to shame by whenever interviewer talk about Alkaline name? Him can put in and rebuttal and say, yo, Alkaline copy him and Alkaline a live in him style and Ray, I want back at madness. He want say in an interview say, Alkaline generation see Alkaline as for them Kartel. You can never make this shit up. The man say Alkaline generation see Alkaline as for them Kartel. Oh swear. What the hell? You can't make that shit up, brother. And then at the same time, you go say, him and your cup of tea, you know, like him say, him not rate him. But you go say, the generation see Alkaline as for them Kartel. And you go say, him in your style and him this and him that, but yet still you say you do. Him is not your cup of tea, you know. You're not fond of him. What the fuck? Virgin. Sometimes when you just love certain things, hey, I just have to rate Alkaline na dog. Because when them man they go in an interview, brother, them man they don't want you talk about no other artists. Talk about him and him career, but you see them your artists, yeah? They like talk about him. They like call him name. They like the interview and mention him so them can talk down upon him and them can chat all sort of gibberish about the youth. That they like. But one thing on the need to understand, say, where the youth create, what the impact where the youth create, it can't rub out. Where you do it can't rub out. So anything you not say about the youth, it no matter, it not go face him, nor him fans them. And one need to understand too. Half of Jamaica like Alkaline, where boss do, where you do. Create him own fan base, have him own little team, have him own man, create him own little dancehall for himself. If you don't like his music, I say it go. If you don't like his music, I say it go, it no matter. Because the dog have him fans them. And I say Vendetta on a different level, bro. And I know never Vendetta fans them out there say Vendetta on a different level. You not try and all, you not try, you can't get down the youth. You can't stop a great man, brother. You great in on your own way, but at the same time, you don't want to tear down the youth. Every day you get up, you have to mention the youth name. You don't have a look at thing over there with the dancehall king, but you don't buckle. You not battle for this invisible king to blood clot. Invisible kingship. We're not going nowhere. Me don't know where them get out of kingship. Being a king pay you. Being a king don't pay you, brother. You know about this I back for king. But yes, I want to see Kim to blood clean to now back about king. I don't get up and talk about the youth. In an interview with Vybz Kartel and academics. Academics say rate the youth. He rate Alkaline, because we know that. We know that the academic rate Alkaline and Kartel. But at the same time, academic can go and say, when him listen to Alkaline music, it reminds him of Vybz Kartel. Crap! Alkaline remind him of nobody, brother. Alkaline is his own man. Alkaline different, brother. The man is doing his own thing different. The man music never similar to Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel behave like him gay. He have copyright to bleaching. He have copyright to talent. He have copyright to lyrics. He have copyright to tattoo. And where the blood clean, you can't make this shit up. And all of them things that in before him. It's just more that him popularize it in a music. But I know you create it, brother. Nothing is new. The Bible tell us, say, nothing new under the sun, brother. Everything where you see upon earth, they are before. Everything where you see create before. He wasn't the man who invent bleaching and tattoo. So, I mean, I know him come out and say, oh, the youth are living in him style and rare. Virgin, come off a youth name, bro. Every day you only get up and talk about the youth. And every day, you try to bring down the youth with some kind of foolishness. I say about all the youth, copy your style. Brother, come off a youth name, dog. Come off a youth name, bro. Real, on a real level, dog. Come off of the youth name. Because youth are doing things and they ever watch, you know. And they ever faced by uno neither. And they ever faced by uno. But yet still, when you find the need to get up and make interview, I bring up the guy name and not talk about the man name. The man say, me not care about who did I do it then, and we are do it now. And a guy need to know that. And that the man telling my brother. So I know they get up every day and talk about Alkaline. Understand, so Alkaline bring it come like Alkaline bring attention to now money now in the pocket. Alkaline make you rich more and more. And all of them so-called vloggers they way a fight against the youth. You think we don't know? We know some band and the youth music. We don't listen to youth music and we never usually listen it. And now we know showing the true selves. So we don't listen to youth music. Yeah? We don't want to see youth fail or that we don't know. We don't want to see the youth fail. Blood cleat, the man a Jamaican like we don't want to see blood cleat youth fail. Blood run through youth vein, same way we don't want to see youth fail. What kind of madness this? I don't want to speak love and unity about people. We only want unity one way, man. We don't want unity amongst the youth because we are fussy. But the youth not face by it, brother. The youth are doing more thing, not care about you, not lucky. And I know now go a premiere now and fly up in the comment section and chat all on one chat off on the mouth. But you don't really fears we. You don't fears we are blood clean. When if you give youth a break, bro, come off a youth name and give youth a break. Give the youth a break, dog. Give youth a break. And a top call you, bro. Vybz Kartel come like him love when the interviewer them bring up Alkaline name. Him can't even say, yo, next topic, I don't want to talk about that, them and that, really. No, him not like, him want to talk about it, him love talk about it. You hear what him say? The man ask him, say, academics ask him, say, when? Ask him, say, if you and him are going to ever mend whatever you have, or the differences are, if the guy, if Alkaline say, yo, come out and say, yo, I respect you, you know. Me just have to do what I have to do for Boss and Ray. The man say, oh, until hell freeze. Remember say hell hot, you know? Hell a fire, you know? Man say until hell frozen. Say clearly I tell you, say, oh, it never gonna happen, but we don't want it to happen. As Vendetta fans, if that do happen, at that day they were done with Alkaline and Bomba Clean. That same day they were done with Alkaline. It won't happen and we don't want it to happen, so. Who say about Jimbo unity with Alkaline and Kartel? See, Kartel say they never got him until hell frozen. Then go on, Alkaline a business, brother. Man I do him thing, dog. And if the music now connect to Uno, so be it, and nothing. It a connect to him fans, and that's all that matters. They think I Uno the viewers when I support him, I go come and show, come support him. No, the fans them. Because even if Uno come and show, Uno stand up stiff. And then tomorrow morning, they say Alkaline show flap because nobody never enjoy themselves. Or nobody not come there. Who know? That's all me have to say, bro. If you come off a youth name, brother, give youth a brain. The youth have a mother to, the youth have a family too. Every day only get up on the youth name. The youth saying I interview them. I respect Vybz Kartel just as I respect everybody else. He was a great artist. What more this fuck I want? What more this brother want? You can't make this shit up, dog. You know I touch already, man. Push move. Come off a youth name, bro.